Greetings, greetings, greetings. Tell me something. You know where ready I mean? You ever have ready I yet? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with all of your friends. And if you not do it yet, do it now. Click the subscribe button and the notification bell too to make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on right here. So
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as gone to Matthew chapter 20 from verse 1 to verse 16. God kingdom come in like one man we own one farm. Him go early in the morning go take on some workman for him grape farm. Him and them work out say him will pay them one normal day work pay. And then he send them go pan in grape farm for start the work. About 9 o'clock in the morning, him go again and see some more man a turn up in a market, nah do nothing. So him go to them and say, "Uno go on down at the grape farm too, and me will pay uno whatever uno forget." So them go. Him go back out about middle day and 3 o'clock too, and him do the same thing. And about 5 o'clock, him go out again and find some more man just a turn up about the place, nah do a thing. So he ask them say, "What make uno turn up here so whole day, nah do nothing?" Them answer back, cause nobody now giving no work, sir. So him say to them, say, "Uno go and go work pa me grape farm too." When evening come down, now, the farm owner said to him manager, say, "Call the workman them and pay them. Start with the last set of man them when me take on and pay all of them down to the first set. When the one them we start work about 5 o'clock come for feed them pay, all of them get one whole a day pay. When the one them where the farm owner they take on first come now, forget feed them pay, them think said them would have get more money. But every one of them get the normal day pay too. So when they get them pay, they start grumble about what the farm owner they do. Hear them now? Them workman we come in last. A only 1 hour them work for. And you pay them same like we. After we do most of the work and burn up in a sun whole day. The farm owner answer one of them. "Friend, after me not thief or no nothing. When they come together and say at the normal day pay, me figure you know. Eh? So take one no forget and go on about no business. And me want give the man when me take on last the same money when me go uno. Me can't do what me want do with for me own money. Eh? Are ready eye. Uno ready eye. Call me kind. So the one when no look so important, when they are back, gotta go push them up a front. And the one them we look like say are them important. When they up a front, are them I go get push a back. A God what this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little